Hello my dear children, once again welcome back to our biology class. This is our third term portion, last chapter, symbol chapter, that is unit 5, health and hygiene. What is health? What is hygiene? That you already know. We know we have one immune system in our body. What is immune system? That means protection against some infection or other foreign particles. Immune system. This immune system helps to protect us from some infection or some pathogens. That means disease causing agents. Okay. This immune system in our body helps us to protect from infections or from some pathogens. Okay, we have our own immune system, but if anything happen to our immune system, that means if our immune system can't react against these pathogens or the diseases, what will happen? It will lead to some disorders in our body. Okay, that disorders we can call allergy. So, allergy is one of the disorder that is undesirable side effect of immune system. This allergy is undesirable side effects of immune system, also known as hypersensitivity. Allergy means undesirable side effects of immune system and it otherwise known as hypersensitivity. Then the most common allergic reactions are hay fever, asthma, dermatitis, food allergy. Okay, so important question, what is allergy? It is undesirable side effects of immune system and it otherwise known as hypersensitivity. Okay, then next about allergens. What is allergens? The substances which are responsible for allergy are called allergens. The substances which are responsible for allergy, the substances which leads to the disorder that is allergy, that we can call allergens. Can you tell some examples for allergens? Okay, dust, pollen, spores, then some animals' hairs, then some food item, milk, egg. This will lead to some allergies to some person. Okay, so that substances we can call allergens. Clear? Then next about entry routes of allergens. That means how these allergens will enter and leads to this allergy. Okay, main source we know, mouth, nose, skin, etc. Okay, maybe through mouth it will enter to our body, then it will leads to allergy. Then maybe through nose it will enter to our body, then leads to allergy. Then maybe through skin. Okay, then different allergens choose different routes or entry for the allergy. Okay, different allergens choose specific routes. Then next about symptoms of allergy. The symptoms of allergy depends on the part of which these allergens touch. Symptoms of allergy depends upon the part of which these allergens touch. For example, if these allergens touch on this breathing part, what will happen? It will leads to stuffy nose. If the allergens touch to the breathing part, what will happen? It will leads to stuffy nose. That means nasal passage becomes swollen with excess fluid and mucus. Okay, so symptoms of the allergy depends upon the part of which allergens touch. Okay, if the allergens will touch to the breathing part, it will lead to stuffy nose. Okay, so what will happen? Nasal passage swollen with fluid and mucus. Okay. In your textbook, many symptoms are there that is common, that you already know, that I will read. Okay, that is sneezing, itchy, watery eyes, abdominal pain, irritability, wheezing, then runny nose, then fatigue. That means overtired with low energy. Okay, then coughing, itchy throat, fever. These are the common symptoms of allergy. Is it clear? The symptoms depends upon the body parts which allergens touch. Clear? Then next about the types of allergy. On the basis of time period, mainly two types of allergy, that is seasonal and perennial allergy. On the basis of time period, mainly two types of allergy, that is seasonal and perennial allergy. Okay. First I will explain about a seasonal allergy. What is seasonal allergy? From the name itself you can tell what is seasonal allergy. Okay, that means it will happen during certain time of the year or during certain seasons of the year. This allergy will come or will happen during certain seasons of the year. Okay, some example, flowering of some flowers will happen at a certain season or certain time. Okay, at that time it will produce some pollen. Okay, this pollen is allergic to some person. Okay, and also trees, grass also produce some pollen. These pollens are allergic to some person. Okay, then outdoor molds release some spores. Spores, you know, you already studied, dust like particles, spores. This spores also allergic to some person. Okay, this seasonal allergy starts almost any age, nearly 10. Okay, sun radiation is also example of this seasonal allergy. Okay, once again, seasonal allergy, it is one of the allergy occurs during certain season or certain time of the year. Okay, certain period of the year. Okay, then main allergens of this seasonal allergy is pollens of some flowers. Then molds release some spores that also act as the allergens for seasonal allergy. Then it starts almost any age, nearly 10, and sun radiation is also one of the example for seasonal allergy. Is it clear? Next about perennial allergy. It occurs throughout the year. It will happen any time of the year. Okay, it does not depends upon the specific season of the year. It will occurs throughout the year, any time of the year. Okay, then does not happen seasonally, and main allergens are indoor allergens. That means pest, dust in our house that will leads to some allergic reaction. Asthma, food allergy, these all are the examples for perennial allergy. Once again, perennial allergy occurs throughout the year. That means any time of the year. Then it does not happen seasonally, and main allergens are indoor allergens. That means pest, dust, etc. Okay, then example for perennial allergy is asthma, then food allergy, etc. Is it clear? Then next about the precautions and care of allergy. How we can take precautions against allergy? Can you tell? Okay, first point, avoid it. Before that, we want to know the allergens of a particular allergy of a person. Okay, then that allergens we want to avoid. For example, if we have allergy to some food item, we have to avoid that food item. Okay, then if we have some allergy to the hairs of some animals, what we want to do? We want to avoid the contact of that particular animal. That means pet animals. Okay, then another point, breastfeeding. First 3 months breastfeeding is compulsory. Okay, it will produce some immune system itself in our body. So breastfeeding is compulsory for newborn babies at first 4 months. Okay, then include vitamin rich food to develop immune system, vitamin C, vitamin E, etc. Okay, so important points for the precautions and care of allergy, that is avoid it. That means avoid that allergens. Okay, then breastfeeding is compulsory for first 4 months. Okay, then include vitamin rich food, vitamin C, vitamin E, etc. Okay. Okay students, that's about our last chapter, simple chapter, health and hygiene. Okay, I will give questions. Find out the answers of that questions from your textbook and study well. If you have any doubts related to this chapter, you can contact me. Okay, study well. Have a nice day. Thank you.